Good morning guys, welcome to another video. My name is David, you're watching CzechCarScene. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this channel, please subscribe, give me a like on the video. We have a lot to do in today's video. We're going to do oil change on my BMW E82. We're going to change filters as well. And then we have to change wheels on my mom's car. We will put summer tires on her car. So let's hit the road. And yeah, there is one more thing. Yeah, as you can see, the ABS fault showed again. So we're on the way to see my friend now, so I will ask him to check it out again, but it looks like we will have to replace another ABS sensor. Stay tuned for that. Let's hit the road. Alright, here we go. So let's do the oil change and filters and also try to restart this nonsense again. Alright, we're back on the road, but as you can see, those warning lights are still on, so we have to investigate it a bit later. My friend didn't have enough time for that. But it doesn't seem to be the ABS sensor. It looks like the issue is somewhere in the cabling, so we will have to investigate this next time, so stay tuned for that. And yep, we're done with the oil and filter change now, so let's hit the road again, pick up my mom's car, and we're going to change tires on her car. We will put summers on it, so stay tuned for that, and let's hit the road again. Just like that, we are in ALFA ROMEO GIULIETTA. It's a pretty nice car. I really like this interior. Look at the steering wheel, cluster, dash. It's not bad at all. We have summer tires on the car already, and we're back on the road on my way back home to pick up my BMW, so we'll be back in my car pretty soon. Is that a Supra? What would you guys spend your money on? Would you rather buy brand new Toyota Supra or would you buy a new BMW Z4? I know they're basically the same cars, but that's exactly why I'm asking. Would you buy this BMW or would you go for new Toyota Supra? I mean, my choice is pretty clear. I would go for Supra, no doubt. But I really like the look of this car too. He's gone. Alright guys, before we drop this car back home, I just want to show you some cool features on this Alfa Romeo Giulietta. We have this car since 2014 and there were no issues with the car, just small problems like that. For example, as you can see, the door handle just broke and it just fell off. So as you can see here, we can select 3 different modes. So if I pull up on this, it will go to dynamic mode. Here you can see how it changes everything. If I pull down again, it goes back to normal. It's called natural, as you can see. And if I go down one more time, it's for all weather, I think, or something like that. Yeah, there you go. Alright, let's pop this into dynamic mode. There we go. And let's hit the road again. Alright guys, just like that we are back in my car. I'm on the way back home, so we're done for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this channel, please subscribe, give me a like on the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. We're going to wrap my car, so I'm going to reveal new color for my car very soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Peace.